Alright, so you can see that I'm on the main Google page. You're going to go down to Google Drive, New, okay, Google Docs. You can form a template or a blank document. We're going to do blank document. Okay, and you always want a title first. So let's say this is the biology info sheet. Okay, and then we're gonna put structures of the brain. Alright, and then we can also change this to whatever you want to. You can also do a heading, and it'll come with its own, like, whatever, but you can also change it still. And then you can share it. We're gonna put that we're sharing it with me at gmail.com. Okay, done. And then you can go right here and version history, and you can see what people have done to change the document. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to Google Drive. I'm going to go to Google Sheets, and as you can see, you can do a form, a template, or a blank spreadsheet. We're going to do blank spreadsheet, and then for here, we're going to put we're going to put ice cream. And we're going to put votes for your favorite ice cream. Alright, we're going to do vanilla. We're going to do vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. And we're going to say vanilla got 10 votes, chocolate got 7, strawberry got 11. Okay, and then we just come down here and we're going to put average, and then equals should have a way. Okay, well usually it has a way to equal the average, but anyway. So here is how you do the spreadsheet. Alright, so you can go back to Google Drive, and then we're going to click New again and go to Google Slides. We can do a blank presentation. Okay. We're going to add a title. Let's say this is my Knies exam presentation. Okay, and you can do backgrounds. You can choose an image from Google Drive, from your camera, from Google Image Search. Let's say we want a diagram of the body. Okay, we're going to do this one. We're going to insert it. Okay, see? And you just put it on here. It says Knies exam in the middle still. And you can also, you still have all the tools up here. You can do the format however you want, the slides. You can choose how you want to transition the slides. You can do dissolve. You can do any of these, and then you can add another slide. Just keep going, and that's how you would create your presentation. And then now we're gonna go back again and go to Google Forms. and we're going to do a blank form. And let's say I'm just going to put lab partners maybe. And we're going to have a question here, options for maybe, let's say, are you a procrastinator? Okay, and then you can choose an option. It could be multiple choice, or you can choose checkboxes, drop downs, but you can do whatever you want to, and then, keep going. Oh, we untitled the form. That's the first question. Let's do lab partners. Okay. Are you a procrastinator? Yes, no, maybe. And then you can just keep on, doing your thing. You can do another option. You can add more options. And yeah, so that's basically it.